we provide a convenience service that you can enable for your organization. So this service is, so if you go to add-ons and I search for net, so it's LC Net Install. This service right now only supports Windows, but it will allow you to transparently upgrade your Windows EDR. So let's say you have the LimaCharlie EDR agent install, automatically upgrade it to Net, install Net. It'll take care of the provisioning, the keys, the configuration, all that stuff for you. So I'll give you a short view of this. So I will get here, this guy. You can invoke it directly by opening the sensor that you want to upgrade. Obviously, all our services are also, available through API. But here we've made this a little bit nicer. I go here, I say upgrade. And what this is doing is this is asking the service in the background to go and start the upgrade process on that box. It may take a minute as the service will go interactively against it. Check everything is installed, install the client, configure it, do all these things. So I won't watch paint dry, but by the end we'll come back and I'll be right there. Those two methods are very point and click, and if you know LimaCharlie, by now you know that we're not big fans of only being able to use point and click things. After all, we're making a self-serve infrastructure platform for security. People that do this at large scale, and people that do this with fairly mature organizations behind them, right? So the other ways that you can do this is through the API. Always, this. We have an API that will allow you to go and provision. So you could create very, very easily, your own portal that will go and provision endpoints for your users based on whatever parameters work for you. But also we have a CLI. So our Python command line interface supports this. So supports doing enrollment. So I will go into our documentation. There we go. Perfect. So in the provisioning section, we talked a little bit about the service, as mentioned, and then the CLI. So here's sample usage of our command line interface. The powerful aspect of this is that not only can you provision a single endpoint through the CLI, but you can also very easily give a whole bunch of different endpoints to provision all at once, or specify a file with I think it's new line separated or standard in list of endpoints that you want to provision. So doing mass provisioning is what this will give you. This is kind of the way if you want to go and onboard a whole group of people, you can do this with a single CLI call.